Alright, what's up, gang? I got a new RC car, upgraded from the Traxxas Vortec to the Yokomo SD3.0. The chassis kit came as a fully disassembled kit with no electronics I had to put together. I'm running the hobby wing that I had in my Vortec, the motor and ESC combo, with a new Yokomo V4 gyro and V2 servo. And this thing absolutely shreds out the box. This thing drives itself almost. It's awesome. Pretty much box alignment, a little bit more camber in the rear to my liking, and a little bit more toe out in the front with a little bit more camber in the front as well. But other than that, it's pretty much just the out of the box lineup or setup. Futaba T3 PV receiver. I'm running the same S14 body as I was running on the Vortec before. I had a S13 1 via body in gold that I made, but I wasn't super happy with how it turned out, so I sold it and then got a new body. I need to get proper magnet mounts for this thing to mock it up, but it's an E36 compact. I got the light buckets in there right now, so you can actually hopefully actually have lights in this thing at some point. But Cooper's about to pull up with his MST, and we're gonna get some doors with these, as you're about to see.
case they wanna test my luck. In my pocket, case they wanna test my luck. Finger on the trigger, I ain't never giving up. Rock up in my pocket, case they wanna test my luck. In my pocket, guess they wanna test my luck. Finger on the trigger, I ain't never giving up.
Fucking perfect driver in reverse in front of us. Riding off into the sunset. The car meat was buns. It didn't get filled up. I mean, I feel like any meat though that fills up, it just gets shut down anyways though, so I don't know, but there just wasn't any good import cars.